So we are flipping the wow. Look at this. Look at this. Where's Olo? Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Where's Olo? I'm seeing the waterland, and as you know, the language speaks for itself. But before we start, if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and turn notifications so we notify when new video drops. Today, the recipe is something simple and delicious. AKPLE with tilapia, grilled tilapia and pepper, ground pepper. Typical water food, waterian food. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, so we are here in the waterland and a small town in Sindaco called AKPLE. What she's doing is she's dressing the tilapia. Yeah, so we are warming this water to clean the fish, the tilapia fish. Yeah, so I'm asking her why we are using hot water to wash the fish. What was the reason here then? Okay, so the hot water will take out that scent, the fishy scent, the fish acid. You take it away. Yeah. So meaning if you don't have lime or if you don't have salt or any other thing to wash your fish, you can use warm water to wash your fish. Yeah. Okay, so we are washing the tilapia with some hot water and some cold water as well. So mix. So the water shouldn't be that hot, it should be warm so they're able to wash it well. Okay, yeah, so we are seasoning our tilapia, and this tilapia will be roasted for AKPLE pepper. Yeah. So season our tilapia, and this is the process of how we do it. Make sure that all the ingredients has been injected well inside the fish so that everything will be nice and delicious. Yeah, yummy. This is tilapia, fresh tilapia. We are about to grill our fish, and we have our net or the metal net on fire. And, okay, so a bit of oil is being deployed on the fish to give that shiny taste of it. Okay? Wow. So the oil just created the frame and wow. We could have said no the power now. Because you can't eat a great tilapia on the waterland and have a mild pepper. No, the pepper has to be very spicy. So that yeah, so we're about to start the AKPLE, and this is the pot de ca, gazevi de ca, bibio, yeah, the AKPLE no. Yeah, so our water is now boiling, and this is the metal brick. Yeah, so basically AKPLE, they say it's similar like TZ. You first need to make porridge, and this is our corn flour, right? Corn flour, yeah. Yeah, this is the corn flour, and the TZ is millet. So there's difference in the ingredients, but the process of stirring or driving is the same. Yeah, so it's about to make some porridge. Okay, so
make one now program.
We're making a porridge, and this is how it's done. So, if you know, or if you've been following Cooking with Sindaco, you've seen that I've done TZ in so many ways, and it's the same procedure and the same steps. And again, the difference over here is that they add salt to the AKPLE, but TZ has no salt in it. Oh, okay. So we are flipping the. Wow, wow! Look at this. Look at this. A bit of oil. So you need oil. If you don't have oil, you need to find oil to make it rich like this. We just mix a bit of salt with the spices, and it's been added to the fish because the salt content is not that much, okay. So the porridge is not ready. So she will take some aside, and that will come back later, and that will expand the AKPLE. It's just like making TZ. Yeah, so the corn flour inside. And the rocodo. This will go with the grilled tilapia with hot pepper.
After 5 minutes of
stirring,
stirring, or after stirring, we cover it for 5 minutes.
Why?
Just for the heat.
To come in. Oh, okay.
Yeah, to come in before we add our porridge.
Okay. Yeah, so this is our hot pepper for the AKPLE with tilapia, grilled tilapia. Yeah. So that's what mommy is doing. So a bit of salt has been added. Edge. Okay, yeah, so the porridge has been added now. So the tilapia too is here, and as you see, rocodo for the parfait. This will also go with AKPLE with some hot pepper. Yeah, so after 5 minutes of closing and the heat glazing from under, yeah, it's time, and the AKPLE is ready. Yeah, so it's about to be choppable. So the onion was placed in the salt water, wash it inside the local blender, Sindaco yo-yo, yeah. You need to squeeze it, so that to absorb the liquid. Hello, brothers, sisters, how do? Yeah, so we're done with our AKPLE with hot pepper and tilapia, grilled tilapia. Yeah, so this is one of the famous food that you can find in the waterland. Yeah, if you come to the water region, this is one of the famous food and one of the popular food as well. Yeah. So as usual, testing officer one, I need to test this to see how it tastes like. Yeah, rocodo for the papa. You also Our AKPLE is dry and I'm from middle stairs, so yeah. So I have tilapia, the head and the tail. I shall be the head, but not the tail. Yeah, so let me see. Okay. Okay. I do. So, tilapia. This is great tilapia. Yeah, not fried. And take some onions. Bust it up with it. Number 9. Now you can call me Efo Sindaco. That's the new name in town. Efo Sindaco. Yeah. Since I'm in the waterland, that's the new name. Efo Sindaco. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn the notification bell so you'll be notified when new video drop. Let's meet again. Discovering food in Ghana for Shizm and Nizzle. I'm out.